Hi, this is Dr. Cooper, and this is a screencast for the English 102 Freshman Composition course. This screencast will show you how to sign up for a BibMe account so that you can do assignment number 1. It will also show you how to add your summaries to your BibMe account to create an annotated bibliography. So let's get started. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll see a button that says Register. Go ahead and type in your name, first and last, email address, zip code, age. They have to verify that you are above the age of 13. Tell them about what type of student you are, and then give yourself a password. What I recommend is that you use a password that you are already familiar with. Okay, go ahead and check both of these boxes and then click Register. What will happen then is you will get an account. You'll also get an email that shows that you have an account. So you'll see an email from bibme.org. Says account created, and it just verifies that this is the email address that you use to create your account. Now, don't forget that email address because that's the email address you'll use to log in. So let's log in. So I'm going to use that email address and my secret password. And if I'm on a home computer, I might say remember me. If you're not at home and you're at school, don't click remember me. So I'm going to log in, and now I am in BibMe. So let's take a quick look around before we do the assignment. Okay, so up here you can see the colored tabs. When you want to enter a source into your bibliography, you choose the tab of the type of source that you have. So if you have a book or a magazine or a newspaper, you just click on that tab. And what will happen is you can do one of two things. You can type in the title of the book, magazine, journal, etc. and see if they can find the book. If they can't find it, you'll have to switch to manual mode and then type in all of the information yourself, which is not difficult to do. Once you've typed in all the information that you need, all you have to do is click down here to add an annotation. And this is where you can type in the summaries that you are going to write for each of the sources that you're saving for your research project. Now once you've typed in, you can just go ahead and click Save to an Account. Now what that does is it saves the bibliographies. So here you can see that I've already saved the 2 bibliographies from the assignment that I am doing for the first assignment, assignment number 1. So let's go ahead and I clicked Edit. Let's look at how I added this. So if we look at the first one, let's go into Blackboard, and these are the 2 articles that you are going to read for this assignment. Arizona's Other Crazy New Law and Privacy in Peril. So this is the first one. You can see that there's an author here, and I've pretty much given you the citation here. What you have to do then is now decide which information goes where in this citation. So you can see that the journal name is CQ Researcher, the article title, Privacy in Peril, the year 2006, volume 16, issue 41. Where did I get that information from? So here you can see that after the title of the periodical are some numbers. Usually the numbers are written as volume, period, and then the issue. So if you see that, that's going to be volume issue. And of course this is the year, and these are page numbers. So when I go back to BibMe, I add all of that information here, page numbers. And then I add the author, and then this is where I'm typing in my summary. Now this isn't the actual summary, I just wrote this. I didn't want anyone to copy my summary. This is just the first part of the article. Now once you're finished with your information, article information and the annotation, you just click Save Changes and it'll save it over here. And then the same thing happened with the Arizona's Other New Crazy Law. I wrote in the title, the volume, the website title, the URL, author, and then once again my annotation, and then I clicked Save. Now what you need to do is, after you've saved it to your account, make sure that you've chosen MLA, and you're going to want to download the file, and it gets downloaded, and it'll look like this. So you can see that it has works cited at the top, and it's an MLA format. You have the citations in your summary, and then it even says at the bottom, MLA formatting by bibme.org. And that's it. So that's how you type in your assignment. Make sure you put your name on your paper at the top of this paper, and you'll submit it to me.